girls who are wholesale California. The dark desert highway, cold winds in my hair, one smell of penis rising up through the air. Up ahead in the distance, up ahead in the distance, saw the shimmering lights. My head grew heavy, and my sight grew dim. There stood in the doorway, I heard that mission bell, and I was thinking to myself, this could be heaven, or it could be hell. Then she lit up a candle, and she showed me the way. There were voices down the corridor, and I think I heard them say, welcome to the wholesale California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Playing a room at the wholesale California. Anytime with you, and you can find it here. Her mind is sick and twisted. She got a Mercedes Benz. She got a lot of pretty boys. They calls her friends. How to dance in the courtyard. Sweet summer sweats. Some dance to remember. Some dance to forget. So I called up the captain. Please bring me my wine. We haven't seen the spirit here since 1969. And still those voices are calling from far, far away. Wake up in the middle of the night just to hear them say, welcome to the wholesale California. Such a lovely place, such a lovely place. Playing a room at the Hotel California. Hello, Tammy. Sit inside me. You can find it here. Mirrors on the ceiling, pink champagne on the ice, and she says, we're all prisoners here of our own device. And the master's chambers, they gathered for the feast. They stabbed in stealing knives, but you can't kill the beast. Last night I remember running to the door. Had to find the passage back to the place where I was reconnecting because it's all broken. Come on, talk a tick, Why is my connection so rubbish? 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 And it's broken, 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 it's broken. Okay.